on, Kevin.
All right, all right. There we go. Nice. All right, hold on, guys. Hold on. If you wait a second, guys. I can't edit this real quick. Get in there real quick and tell us your names and where you're from.
Okay, I'll start first.
Tell us your names and where you're from.
My name is Dan. My name is Jennifer Richland. I'm from Dance Tech Training Center.
My name is John Burgess, and I'm from Dance Tech Training Center.
And my name is Kevin Hughes, and I'm from Dance Tech.
1, 2, 3, Dance Tech, you know. I'm gonna kill you.
All right. What's your favorite radio station, guys?
Favorite radio station.
KZKO, go live.
Very nice. All right, give me some. Go out with that bad boy.
I can't get it on film.
Yeah.
Watch out, man. You get an elbow to the jaw. You get
Let's see some footwork right there, baby. Oh yeah.
That's you, Mark. You're right in that area. Right before you.
Very nice.
That's right.
Dance Tech Training Center, live at KZKO. Check them out.